Coming back to our roots. Glad you guys are here watching the video, and we're gonna go do some shopping around LA, get some good content for you guys, because lately I've just been thinking, I want you guys to be happier. I want you to be happier. 2 minutes. You guys go ahead. Nice to meet you.
Are you used to this?
I mean, everywhere we go, a lot of pictures are being taken, so I mean, this is just part of the status quo, you know. So, and we love it. I love it. You guys like Marshmello?
Oh yeah. All right.
Let's go. So we're about to walk into Flight Club right now, and Marshmello needs some new shoes. So, what better place to come to? Yeah. Can I grab them? We'll get that one.
Marshmello just copped all these shoes.
Dang, dude. What's he got? What's he got?
What do you know about these?
Let's see what they look like by him, bro. Dang.
So we just copped him a pair of Fear of God shoes. Now we're gonna go to what's called Soul Stage. So we need to get this guy just a plain white hoodie. You guys have to. I think what we got to do is, if we can't get this hoodie here, we got to go down. So I think we got to go down to another place if we can't get the hoodie we want. But like I said, hopefully everything turns out. It's always Marshmello. Marshmello, you mind saying? So this is part 2 of our tour. We still can't even find a white hoodie for this guy, but we're gonna still keep looking. Thank you, sir. We're gonna empty out the store for us. We want to make sure at least he comes with something good. We're good. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait a couple more minutes, see what they got. I just don't want this store filled up. You know what I mean? We don't want this place filled up. So. Hey, thank you guys. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, for sure. Sure. I like it. Hey. I think we got you one, man. I think we got you one. Let's get one. Ready? Appreciate that. Thank you. Alright, guys. Come on, hey, you guys can walk with us and take pictures. Let's go. Thank you. Everyone walk. If you want to take a picture, just walk with us. We're in a rush, but we love the fans. Just walk with us. Can I take a selfie, please? Walk with us. That's it.
Can I take a selfie? Thank you. You're my idol. Thank you.
Now that we got the hoodie, next thing we're gonna do is get some food because this guy's hungry. So one thing about LA is if you want to get some food, there's a lot of choices. So we're gonna look and see what we like the most because we haven't ate anything this whole day. We've just been out filming. Once he has his outfit ready, everything's gonna be done. He'll have his shoes, he'll have his pants. Hey, what's going on?
Marshmello.
What's up, guys? Hurry up, you guys gotta walk with us.
You guys vlogging or what?
Are you
What's up,
vlogging?
dude?
What
Yeah,
are you doing, dude? Oh my god, dude, this is so funny. Wait.
What are you guys filming for?
Just he's shopping today, just like a random video.
Just gonna get a couple pictures, but we'll be there. I mean, it's
gotta go. Hey guys, I have a question. Can you explain to the audience like what it's like to have so many people coming up to you all the time, wondering what's next for Marshmello, and just wanting to know what is all your secrets, basically?
I mean, with the fame comes the responsibility of having to answer to millions of fans. So, you know, in order to properly offload that responsibility, we just put a mask on Marshmello's head, so no one really knows how his face looks like. So we're celebs, but at the end of the day, we can enjoy the simple things in life, like going to IHOP, getting some pancakes, maybe going to a massage parlor. That was just one time.
One more. That's my friend. Yes. Hey, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you? We have up here just.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
He's coming around right here. So now we're pretty much done touring this part. Now we want to go to Santa Monica and check what's going on in Santa Monica. So, but you guys can take a picture. Hey, Marshmello, we gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Huh? You guys wanna? There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Look at my history. I'm trying to see what's different from that guy in the rich of me. The only thing I see is custom house from Tiffany and some girls that'll hit you out of nowhere like a really that's it to me. Aside from the hobby, busy because you're hard I'm never my family.
So one important key, guys, is make sure you're always hydrated. Marshmello's too hydrated all the time. So we constantly make pit stops. This guy's pissing. Guys, this is Marshmello pissing. Hey, you want to look at the camera? Hey. You know, regardless of who you are, what you're doing, who you're trying to become, if you're chasing something great, you need to make sure the people around you are giving you genuine and real feedback. Because there was a period of time where Marshmello was making really poor music, and if he didn't have me or his other supporters and friends, close friends around him, he would have kept making that poor music. So you need to know when to give straight up raw advice. If you don't, you're just gonna keep pushing fluff in their butt, and it's not really gonna go anywhere. So that's another point of success. Love you, bro. We're on 3rd Street Promenade, and we're just gonna walk around and act like we're really busy. Honestly, this is where it all started. We would come here as kids, walk around, you know, hang out around here. Now look what it's become.
Hey, bro, how are ya?
What's going on, brother? Where are you from? What country?
Sydney.
Sydney, Australia?
Sydney, Australia.
We've been getting a lot of guys from Sydney.
42 Wallaby Sydney?
No everyone's gonna, you know, come in his way. We need to blockade this whole street.
Where are you guys from?
Ireland.
Our security guard isn't being much of a security guard right now. I gotta push back our dinner reservations tonight because I didn't think we were gonna be here tonight.
Yeah, we're running late, bro. We have to get going.
Dude, this is f***ing crazy. Hey, thank you.
Yeah.
Lit though, bro.
We got reservations there, but we taking pictures with my dog.
You guys have a good one.
You too, brother.
Oh my God. Hey, smile, Marshmello.
Yeah. Just make it quick.
Exterior like faces, the interior like suicide.
When we see what we've become in the cold light of day, flame in the window, the fire begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story ends. Then I want to see you smile. No, I don't have to. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. 25,000 on me when I've been riding, fellow fly don't know. I want to feel the party. I'm in the highs, my family, I got the.
There's times where Marshmello spends days, hours, doesn't even eat, working on a track. He'll send it over to me, I'll look at it, and I'll just say, hey man, this sucks. Yeah. There's times I just want to ship this guy to Tokyo. So growing up, the Shake Shack was where me and Marshmello always came and ate, so it feels nice to be back there. I know, we just really flew down here. Here he is. We've been filming all day. It's going good. You can't take the element off.
Do it, you know? Okay, like say Shake Shack. Shake Shack.
You can't say, trust me, we get a lot of people that want to talk. But we can't.
Oh, okay.
You can't say shake.
Do we have to sign our rights away for this video?
Wait, no.
Alright guys, thanks for touring with us today. We stopped by Santa Monica, West Hollywood, different spots in LA. I can't even keep count at this point, but as you can see, the fans love everything. They're saying what's up to us, so I mean, here's a cheers to our success and more fans that are going to be building along this journey. You have to take... No.
My big Marshmello.
You know, bye ladies.
My friends. My Marshmello. My promoter blonde man. I don't hate you. You're okay. I love you, but
See, we just want to spread happiness everywhere we are. That lady called me fake, not real, but you know, at the end of the day, I'm real, right? I mean, I think I am, right? I mean, this is a real thing, right?